Looking for a dating app that's designed to help you find meaningful relationships instead of endless swiping? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are diving into Hinge, the dating app designed to be deleted. We will explore what Hinge is, who it's best suited for, its standout features, how the app works and the sign-up process, pricing, and the overall user experience on both desktop and mobile. Whether you're new to online dating or maybe thinking about switching from another dating app, this honest review will give you a clear overview of what to expect before creating an account. So, let's begin. Now, when it comes to helping people find meaningful relationships, Hinge has built a reputation as the dating app that's designed to be deleted. Unlike many dating platforms that encourage endless swiping, Hinge focuses on helping users create genuine connections that hopefully lead to a real-life relationships. Now, when you visit the official Hinge website, which is going to be hinge.com, one of the first things you will notice is something that's quite different from most dating websites. You won't find the usual login or sign up buttons on the homepage. That's because Hinge is designed primarily as a mobile-first dating app with an account creation and daily use taking place on iOS and Android devices rather through a desktop or a web interface. Instead of asking you to create an account immediately, the website introduces you to the company's philosophy and gives you a better understanding of what makes Hinge different before you ever download the app. That is going to be the mission, which gives you the goal of creating a less lonely world by inspiring meaningful in-person connections rather than measuring success on how long users stay on the app. Hinge measures success by helping people grow on great dates and eventually find lasting relationships. Next is going to be the impact, where Hinge highlights the positive influence it aims to have on modern dating. You will learn the company's initiatives to make online dating safer, more inclusive, and more authentic for people from different backgrounds and communities. And finally, we have the labs, which showcases Hinge's research-driven approach to dating. Hinge Labs studies dating behaviors, relationship trends, and user experiences to better understand what leads to successful matches. Now, these insights are used to improve the app's feature while also sharing practical dating advice and research with the public, making the platform continually smarter and more effective for users. But don't worry, because the Hinge website serves as the informative introduction rather than a place to create an account. Because with this website, it helps visitors understand the app's purpose, values, and research-backed approach before encouraging them to download the mobile app and begin their dating journey. Now, let's take a look at the Hinge mobile app. Hinge is available for both iPhone and Android users. So you can simply head over to the App Store if you're using iOS or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Download and install the app, then sign in using your existing credentials. If it's your first time using Hinge, creating an account is very quick and straightforward. The app provides several sign-up options, allowing you to choose the method that's most convenient for you. After creating your account, Hinge will guide you through a series of questions designed to personalize your experience. You will be asked about your interests, dating preferences, lifestyle, values, and the qualities you're looking for a potential match. It's a good idea to answer these questions honestly, as they help Hinge recommend people who are more compatible with their preferences and relationship goals. Once you have completed the setup process, you'll arrive at the app's home screen. One of the first things you will notice is how intuitive and user-friendly the interface feels. Everything is laid out in a clean and organized way, making it easy to browse profiles, interact with matches, and explore different features without feeling overwhelmed. Overall, the mobile experience is clearly designed with convenience in mind. Whether you're checking your matches during a lunch break, maybe commuting, or simply relaxing at home, Hinge offers a smooth, comfortable, and hassle-free experience that's optimized for people who are always on the go. Now, the Discover section is where your dating journey begins. This is where Hinge shows you potential matches based on your preferences, location, and compatibility. Instead of simply swiping left or right, you can interact with specific parts of someone's profile by liking or commenting on a photo or prompt. This creates more meaningful conversations and helps you stand out before you even match. The like section is where you can see people who have already shown interest in your profile. Let's say, for example, if someone has liked one of your photos or prompt, you'll find them here. You can review their profile and decide whether to match with them or pass. It makes it easy to connect with people who are already interested in getting to know you. The matches contains all of your mutual connections. Once both you and another user have liked each other profiles, you'll become a match. From here, you can start chatting, continue conversations, and build connections. Hinge encourages users to move beyond matching by making it easy to start engaging conversations based on profile prompt and shared interest. While the profile is where you can manage your dating profile and personalize how you present yourself to others. Again, remember you can upload and arrange photos, you can answer Hinge signature prompt, add information about yourself, and update your dating preferences such as age, range, distance, and lifestyle choices. Keeping your profile complete and authentic helps Hinge recommend more compatible matches and increases your chances of making meaningful connections. And with that being said, remember, since Hinge is built primarily as a mobile app, every part of the experience is optimized for comfort and convenience. The layout is thoughtfully organized, making it simple to discover matches, interact with profiles, and access key features without any hassle. Everything is where you would expect it to be, creating a smooth and natural experience. I have been using Hinge for quite some time, and let me tell you that once you land on the Hinge homepage, you will easily notice that it's very easy to use, it's very direct, the interface is clean, it's modern, and designed with simplicity in mind so you won't feel overwhelmed by unnecessary buttons or complicated menus. Overall, the Hinge emphasizes on the ease of use because it's designed for people who are always on the go, allowing you to focus more on find meaningful connections rather than figuring out how the app works itself. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.